We're going to talk about aches and pains and colds. They're universal, but different countries certainly have very different ways of treating them. Our next guest is here to show us some cures from around the world. Please welcome our dear friend, Dr. Travis Stork. Hey, Travis.
My dear, how goes it?
How goes it with you, my friend?
Life is good. So, you love tea. You know what they do in Spain? They are big into garlic tea. Has anyone ever tried it? So what they do is they'll cut some garlic cloves in half.
Yeah.
And they'll put it in warm water, let it marinate, and they'll add a little bit of honey, a little bit of lemon, and they'll drink this 2-3 times a day during the cold and flu season. And here's what's interesting. There's some science behind this.
I eat a lot of garlic, and it's always in my system. I know that garlic is good for you, but garlic tea, I don't know.
I don't know either. I've never had it. But garlic, interestingly, people who eat garlic get fewer colds. But the one thing I also often wonder is,
olive oil and the garlic.
Do you think it's because people who eat garlic, no one wants to hang around them?
Thanks a lot, Trav.
I love garlic. All right.
I can hear you, you know.